Welcome to Decoding Cancer Cell Population Dynamics with Machine Learning. My name is Alberto Puliafito. I am a professor of biochemistry. I am a physicist by training, and my interest in machine learning comes from my field of research, which is cancer, particularly quantitative aspects of cancer. I will be guiding you through this course, which aims at building a machine learning algorithm from scratch by a step-by-step journey into all the different aspects. What problem we tackle, why, what choices we can make, and what results we can expect. We will be looking under the hood of a simple machine learning algorithm, and we'll be taking it apart and view all of its composing elements one step at a time. The overall goal is to start from some simple data on how cancer cells grow and to learn from it. What to learn is also going to be an object of teaching. We will use explainable learning and will need a computational model of cancer to learn with. The model will be used as a lens to interpret the data and to make conclusions more transparent and interpretable. This course is organized into 5 chapters. We are going to review some basic knowledge of what we mean by cell population and how a cancer cell population is different from a normal cell population. We will go over mathematical models of cell populations and pick a very simple yet very useful and important stochastic model. If you don't know or don't remember what stochastic means, we will see this together. We will learn how to perform numerical simulations of this model by writing a simple Python program. And then we'll come right to the point. We will quickly and rapidly review one famous and important way of learning from data, namely Bayesian inference, and we will then put all the pieces together. Throughout the course, we will look at how to implement each single step of the algorithm with short and simple Python scripts. These will also be provided alongside with a set of lectures. See you soon!